come into the world, but people love the darkness instead of the light because their deeds were evil. So when we study the book of Judges over the next few weeks, we don't look at the judges themselves as inspirational role models. They all failed. But they give us an insight into Jesus, who is the only one true deliverer. But we also don't look at Israel and go, oh, we just need to learn from them. We just need to do good so God will bless us. They're stuck. They have no way out. And these earthly deliverers can't fix their problem. And that slavery exists today. It can be with the irreligious who say, I'm okay. I don't need to deliver. But it can also be with the religious who say, I need to deliver myself by proving myself to God. And I need to jump through all of these obligations religiously so that I can earn my favor with Him. And the book of Judges is there with this incredible wrong thinking about His word. So Judges chapter 3, we're going to look at this first one and understand some of what God wants to teach us. Starting in verse 7. Then they cried out to the Lord. So that's what they're doing. Hardship comes, they cry out to God. The Lord raised them. The Lord raised them. Up for them a deliverer. Then God comes on the scene. Up for them a deliverer. Then God comes on the scene. He cares about them. He loves them.